Welcome to the TS Learning software. My students and I are thrilled to have you join us in this educational journey.
Hello, I am Alina. This section is about trigonometry. Concept. Part 1. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the relationships between the sides and acute angles of right triangles. An acute angle is an angle that measures less than 90 degrees. And the side opposite the right angle is called hypotenuse. For this purpose, there are 6 trigonometric ratios, which are called trigonometric functions. 1. The sine function. 2. The cosine function. 3. The tangent function. 4. The cotangent function. 5. The secant function. 6. The cosecant function. Consider the right triangle shown below. Let theta be an acute angle, and based on that, the two sides of the triangle are named as follows. 1. Opposite side to theta. 2. Adjacent side to theta. Now we can see how the sides and the acute angles of right triangles are connected. Sine. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Cosine. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Tangent. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. And the reciprocal trigonometric ratios generate the others. Reciprocal of sine is cosecant. Reciprocal of cosine is secant. Reciprocal of tangent is cotangent. Example. In the picture below, find the trigonometric ratios of the alpha angle. Solution. The sine of alpha is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So the value of cosecant is 5/3. The cosine of alpha is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So the value of secant is 5/4. The tangent of the alpha is opposite side divided by adjacent side. So the value of the cotangent is 4/3. The unit circle in trigonometry. It is a circle with a radius 1 at the center of a coordinate plane. We name the points where the unit circle intersects the coordinate axes. Let's give the name theta to the angle between the positive x-axis, initial side, and this line, terminal side. We can measure theta in degrees, or we can measure it in radians, which are based on the distance traveled around the circle. Definition of degree. When we divide a unit circle into 360 equal parts, each part is 1 degree. So 1 full unit circle is 360 degrees or. Definition of radian. 1 radian is an arc of a unit circle whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. Radius equals 1. The arc length of the unit circle is also 1. When we go around the unit circle once, the distance traveled is the circumference of the unit circle, which is 2 pi. So 1 full unit circle is 2 pi radians. One full unit circle is 360 degrees and 1 full unit circle is 2 pi radians. So we can write. By means of this relation, it is possible to convert these two units into each other. The number pi plays two important roles in mathematics, depending on the context. 1. In measurements involving a circle's arc or circumference. Pi is used in its decimal form, approximately 3.14. 2. In measurements involving angles. Pi represents 180 degrees. Example. Is the arc length corresponding to a 120-degree angle in the unit circle greater than the diameter of the circle? Solution. First, we convert the degree to radians. The angle in radians is equal to, and its numerical value is equal to, diameter equals 2, so it is greater than the diameter of the circle. The signs of angles on the unit circle. Positive angles. They are measured counterclockwise from the initial side to the terminal side. Positive angles. Negative angles. They are measured clockwise from the initial side to the terminal side. Negative angles. Coterminal angles. They are angles that share the same terminal side on the unit circle, even if their measures or signs are different. For example, 45 degree and minus 315 degree and 405 degree are all coterminal angles. It can be seen that the terminal sides of the three angles meet at a single point. Don't forget the second part. Your effort is appreciated.
Thanks for watching.